MQ-9 Reaper drone capabilities. It has a wingspan of 66 feet, 20.12 m, Honeywell engines, can carry 3,900 pounds, 1,769 kg, of fuel and has a maximum speed of 240 knots, 444 km. The Reaper, which entered service with the U.S. Air Force 16 years ago, can be equipped with weapons such as air-to-ground missiles. The MQ-9 has demonstrated airborne weapons capabilities in Air Force trials. The aircraft can also be equipped with a self-protect pod that can detect threats and take countermeasures against surface-to-air weapons. The MQ-9 can also deploy up to 8 laser-guided missiles. The air-to-ground missile, 114 Hellfire, which have highly accurate, low-damage anti-armor and anti-personnel capabilities. Remotely piloted aircraft can be disassembled and loaded into a single container for deployment around the world. The MQ-9 Reaper drone costs $56.5 million per unit, includes 4 aircraft with sensors, ground control station, and primary Predator satellite link. The MQ-9's primary function is intelligence gathering to support strike, coordination, and reconnaissance missions. MQ-9 Contractor General Atomics Aeronautical Systems, INC. MQ-9 Power Plant Honeywell TP E331-10GD turboprop engine. Maximum MQ-9 thrust 900 shaft horsepower. MQ-9 wingspan 966 feet, 20.1 meters. MQ-9 length 36 feet, 11 meters. MQ-9 height 12.5 feet, 3.8 meters. Weight 4,900 pounds. 2,223 kilograms. Empty. Maximum takeoff weight of the MQ-9 is 10,500 pounds, 4,760 kilograms. ER 11,700 pounds, 5,307 kilograms. MQ-9 fuel capacity 4,000 pounds, 602 gallons. ER 6,000 pounds, 903 gallons. MQ-9 payload 3,750 pounds, 1,701 kilograms. MQ-9 drone max speed 240 kt. Ace MQ-9 drone range 1,150 miles, 1,000 nautical miles. ER 1,611 miles, 1,400 nautical miles. Ceiling up to 50,000 feet, 15,240 meters. MQ-9 drone is capable of carrying a combination of a GM-114 Hellfire missiles, GBU-12 Paveway, IIGBU-38 Joint Direct Attack Munitions, GBU-49 Enhanced Paveway, II and GBU-54 Laser Combined Direct Attack Ammunition Crew. The Reaper can also perform the following missions and tasks: intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance, close air support, combat search and rescue, precision strike, buddy lays, convoy surveillance and raids, route clearing, target development, and terminal air guidance. The MQ-9's capabilities qualify it to conduct irregular warfare operations in support of combatant commander objectives. The Reaper is part of a remotely piloted aircraft system. A fully operational system consists of an aircraft equipped with sensors and weapons, a ground control station, Predator primary satellite link, and backup equipment, as well as operations and maintenance crews for deployed 24-hour missions. The basic crew consists of a pilot rated to control the aircraft and lead the mission, and flight crew members to operate the sensors and guide the weapons. To meet the needs of combatant commanders, Reaper provides customized capabilities using mission equipment containing various combinations of weapons and sensor payloads. The MQ-9's basic system features a multi-spectral targeting system, which has a powerful visual sensor suite for targeting. The MELIT-INSB integrates infrared sensors, color, monochrome daylight TV camera, shortwave infrared camera, laser designator, and laser illuminator. Full motion video from each imaging sensor can be viewed as a separate video stream or combined. The unit is also equipped with a laser rangefinder/designator, which precisely determines targets for use of laser-guided munitions, such as the Paveway II Guided Bomb Unit 12. The Reaper is also equipped with a synthetic aperture radar. The MQ-9 can also deploy up to 8 laser-guided air-to-ground missile 114 Hellfire missiles, which have highly accurate, low-damage anti-armor and anti-personnel capabilities. Remotely piloted aircraft can be disassembled and loaded into a single container for deployment around the world. The entire system can be transported on a C-130 Hercules or larger aircraft. The MQ-9 aircraft operates from standard U.S. airfields with a clear line of sight to the ground data terminal antenna, which provides line-of-sight communications for takeoff and landing. PPSL provides over-the-horizon communications for aircraft and sensors. The MQ-9 has also been modified for long-range operations through the addition of external fuel tanks capable of holding 1,300 lb of fuel. This provides longer station times and longer range. The modification also added extra blades to the propeller and an alcohol water injection system to improve takeoff performance. The primary concept of operations, long-range separation operations, uses launch and recovery ground control stations for takeoff and landing operations at forward operating locations, while crews based in the continental United States assume command and control over the remainder of the operation. Missions via links beyond line of sight. Long-range separation operations result in fewer personnel being deployed to forward locations, consolidating control of multiple flights to locations within the United States, and thereby simplifying command and control functions as well as logistical supply challenges for weapons systems. The U.S. Air Force proposed the MQ-9 Reaper system in response to a Department of Defense directive to support overseas contingency operations initiatives. The aircraft is larger and more powerful than the MQ-1 Predator and is designed to execute time-sensitive targets with persistence and precision, as well as destroy or disable those targets. The MA is the Department of Defense designation for multi-role, and the Q stands for Remotely Piloted Aircraft System. The number 9 indicates that this is the 9th in a series of remotely piloted aircraft systems.